Many people believe energy comes only from caffeine, sugar, or sleep, but true, lasting endurance is built deep within your cells. Two natural substances, Rhodiola rosea and royal jelly, work together to awaken that inner energy in ways most supplements can't. Let's start with Rhodiola, often called the golden root of Siberia. Rhodiola has been used for centuries by warriors, mountain climbers, and monks to increase stamina, focus, and stress resistance. Modern science confirms what ancient cultures already knew. Rhodiola helps the body adapt to physical and mental stress. It achieves this by regulating cortisol, the stress hormone, and balancing neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. When you take Rhodiola, your body becomes more efficient at using oxygen, enhancing overall cellular performance. Your heart pumps smoother, and your brain receives steadier blood flow, optimizing cognitive function. Instead of sudden energy spikes and crashes, you feel alert, calm, and centered, like your body and mind are finally in sync. This adaptogenic effect means Rhodiola doesn't just stimulate energy, it balances it, providing a stable foundation for your day. If you're tired, it lifts you up. If you're anxious, it calms you down. If you're distracted, it brings you into clear focus. That's the true nature of endurance, not a rush, but controlled, steady power that lasts throughout your activities. Now, let's turn to the second half of this powerful duo, royal jelly. This creamy, nutrient-rich substance is produced by worker bees to feed their queen, and it's what makes her live up to 40 times longer than the others. Imagine that, 40 times the lifespan and unmatched fertility and vitality, a testament to its potent properties. Royal jelly contains a complete spectrum of B vitamins, amino acids, trace minerals, and special compounds like 10-hydroxy-2-deoxynic acid. Scientists believe these components help regulate hormones and energy metabolism, crucial for overall well-being. It supports your adrenal glands, stabilizes blood sugar, and enhances mitochondrial efficiency, the very engines of your cells. When men and women take royal jelly regularly, studies show improvements in mental clarity and memory. It also contributes to stable energy throughout the day, stronger immune function, and better reproductive balance. It's like feeding your body's command center, giving it the materials it needs to build, repair, and perform at its peak. Combined with Rhodiola, you get endurance from one and nourishment from the other, performance and recovery in perfect harmony. Embrace the power of Rhodiola and royal jelly to unlock your lasting endurance, focus, and vitality. Here's where things get really exciting. When Rhodiola and royal jelly are used together, the effects multiply. Rhodiola increases the body's ability to resist fatigue and stress, while royal jelly replenishes the nutrients your system burns during intense activity. Together, they create what's known as a bioadaptive synergy. That means your energy system becomes more resilient over time, not just temporarily boosted. It's the difference between revving your engine and upgrading the entire motor. For mental performance, this combo enhances focus, memory retention, and mood stability. You'll notice fewer distractions, sharper thought processing, and greater motivation. For physical stamina, Rhodiola increases oxygen uptake and ADP production, your body's energy currency, while royal jelly supports recovery, hydration, and hormonal balance. Think of it as building your endurance from both ends, cellular efficiency from Rhodiola and regenerative power from royal jelly. And the best part? Both are natural, safe, and can be used daily. There's no crash, no addiction, no overstimulation. Just steady, clean power, the way your body was designed to operate. Now let's talk about how to integrate Rhodiola and royal jelly into your daily life. The key is consistency and timing. Take Rhodiola in the morning, ideally before breakfast, with a small glass of water. This timing aligns with your body's natural cortisol rhythm, giving you calm alertness and mental focus that lasts through the day. Royal jelly, on the other hand, is best taken mid-morning or early afternoon, when energy naturally dips. This keeps you fueled, focused, and nourished without the crush of caffeine or sugar. For best results, combine them for at least 6 to 8 weeks. During this time, track how your focus, stamina, and recovery improve. Most people notice they wake up more refreshed, handle stress better, and sustain attention longer, whether at work, in workouts, or during intimacy. Remember, true endurance is not about constant stimulation. It's about balance, resilience, and recovery. Rhodiola gives you the strength to push forward. Royal jelly gives your system the nutrition to rebuild and thrive. Together, they form the foundation of lasting energy, deep focus, and natural vitality. Your body is capable of more than you realize. Feed it well, treat it gently, and it will reward you with clarity, strength, and purpose every single day. Let's talk about what truly separates men and women who merely survive the day from those who thrive through every challenge, radiating strength, calmness, and focus. It's not about taking another pill. It's not about quick fixes or short bursts of energy. It's about rebuilding the foundation of your energy system, one choice, one breath, one habit at a time. Rhodiola and royal jelly are not just supplements. They're symbols of balance, of strength and softness working together. Rhodiola teaches your body how to stay strong in the storm. Royal jelly teaches your body how to repair and nourish itself afterward. When you combine both, something remarkable happens. Your mind begins to quiet down. Your body stops fighting against itself. Your energy becomes smoother, deeper, more sustainable. You stop relying on adrenaline and start operating from pure vitality. Over time, you'll notice changes that go far beyond stamina or focus. You'll sleep more deeply. You'll recover faster after exercise or stress. Your creativity and clarity will grow. Even your relationships improve because you're calmer, more present, and more confident in your own body. This is the essence of adaptogenic living, adapting to life without breaking under its weight. It's the power of balance, built naturally. If you're over 50 or if stress has been your constant companion, this message is especially for you. Your body still remembers what vitality feels like. Your cells can still regenerate. Your hormones can still balance. But it requires nourishment, patience, and consistency, the three things most people overlook in their search for energy. So here's your challenge. For the next 30 days, commit to treating your energy with respect. Drink clean water. Breathe deeply. Move every day. And fuel your system with Rhodiola and royal jelly, not as a quick boost, but as a ritual of restoration. With each passing week, you'll notice something profound. Your endurance no longer feels forced. It becomes natural, effortless. It feels like coming home to your body again. Remember this. Your body is not failing you. It's waiting for you to give it what it needs to thrive. Balance stress and nourishment, power and recovery, and you'll awaken the strength that was inside you all along. This is not just about endurance or focus. It's about reclaiming your vitality, your clarity, and your confidence, one mindful breath, one natural choice at a time.